What's up guys, Rock here, founder and owner of Gymreapers, and today I wanted to explain to you guys the difference between wrist wraps and lifting straps. And you know, they're both super important to have in the gym bag, and they can both absolutely help your workouts. But we often get questions like, hey, what's the difference? Or somebody might accidentally purchase one expecting the other. So when it comes to the wrist wraps, these are gonna be used to add compression and support to your wrist. And these are like my personal pair, but you'll wrap them around your wrist, and you can use these on any sort of pushing type of movement, shoulder press, bench press. If you're low bar back squatting, obviously you're cranking your wrists, and this can be a huge help. And it's very simple, they're USPA approved, and that's the wrist wrap. The lifting strap has a totally different purpose. These are our lasso lifting straps, and we offer figure 8 Olympic lifting, but specifically the lasso is used to improve grip strength. And it's really gonna actually remove the gripping portion so you can get like that weight movement and isolate like most likely your back with what you're working. So if you put your arm through, your hand through this and you tighten it, you'd wrap this around the barbell, which we have videos. Just go ahead and click into our YouTube channel and you can figure out how to use these. But you'd use these for like a row or a deadlift potentially. And what it will do is it'll alleviate the forearm gripping issue that a lot of people run into when they're trying to isolate a different muscle. Now, this isn't a means to avoiding working your grip, but they can help for those exercises where you're just trying to improve a specific exercise or muscle group that you're trying to target. Right there, guys, that's the difference between our lasso lifting straps and the weightlifting wrist wraps. If you're interested in either of these, go ahead and check them out at gymreapers.com.